Okay, student, some technical issue. So now we continue. So what is the answer for this one, student? Yes. So what is the answer for this student? Extend 30, 40. So this extend and the meaning, this is 10, 20 and 30 and 40. So this is the answer, student. Right? What about this one, student? What about this one? Sir, extend 3, 4 in the form of sir tuple. I am passing here tuple, student. Then what will happen, student? Again, sir, answer is in the form of list, sir, 1, 2, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer, student. What about this one? Sir, L equals to 1, comma 2. This is a list. L dot extend ABC. L dot extend ABC. Then what is the answer, student? 1, 2, and what? So this is the answer. All right. If you pass string, then every characters, every small one length string, right? 1, 2, A, B, C. So एक एक character की string इसमें आ जाएगी. 1, 2, A, B, C. This is the answer, student. What about this one, student? If I pass, sir, set, then what is the answer, student? Okay, students. So now come to the track. So what is the output? This list contain only single element. And student extend. Here I am passing what's a set. I am passing set. If you pass set here, then set का order नहीं होता. Set is unordered student. Okay. So set is unordered, which student set is unordered. If it is unordered, then output may be, sir, I think 10 or 20, this one, or it depends, sir, 20, 10. You can check out on editor student because set is unordered. All right. So either 110, 20 or 120, 10. Okay. What about this one, student? यस स्टूडेंट स्ट्रीम प्रॉपर हो रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है वीडियो में? यस एक बार बता दीजिए। ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है? यस उद्धव, लक्की, ओके ओके। So what is the answer for the last one? Last one, what is the answer? Okay, very good. 1 2 A1 B2 last का आंसर। सर दिस इज लिस्ट इज एम्प्टी स्टूडेंट, हियर दिस लिस्ट इज एम्प्टी। सो 1 2 कैसे आ जाएगा, कहाँ से आएगा? सो व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस वन? So look here, sir, dictionary, in a dictionary key extend, only key extend student, only key extend होगा बच्चे, right? So keys in dictionary, keys is what, sir? A and B. So this is the answer. All right. Okay. Sir, can I write student here? 'Yes, student. What is the output? What is the output here, student? One, two, three, four, five, six. प्लीज राइट ऑन एडिटर, देखिए क्या आंसर आ रहा है। प्लीज राइट दिस ऑन एडिटर स्टूडेंट। Yes, everyone, News Buster, Sidhu, Uddhav, please write this statement on editor. What you will get? You will get, I think, error. You will get error because it accept only iterable objects, right? मैंने it accept only iterables, right? Here it accept only what, sir? This iterable objects. So it may be string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. You cannot pass either integer value, float value. Okay, you cannot pass here integer value, float value, boolean value, none. So non-iterable not allowed, student. So okay. Like if you talk about integer, float, boolean, none, these are not allowed, student. These all are not allowed. Understood? Integer object not iterable. Okay, because integer object not iterable. Understood? Now next method, sir. This is insert. Next is what, sir? Insert. So insert method, the syntax of insert method, right here insert, and first write index and then item, index and then item, student. So insert item at a specific position, this position, right? So it insert item at this index, particular index number. So this is the insert method. Insert item at a specific position. For example, L equals to 10, 20, 30. L dot insert 199. What is the output, student? What is the output of this one? So 0, 1 index, sir, 1 index per L dot insert, sir, this is 0 index, right? Here 1 and 2 index. So 1 index per you want to insert, sir, 99. So yes, 99 added here and 20 and 30. This is the output, student. Okay, 10, 99, 20, 30. L equals to 1, 2, 3, L dot insert 1, hello. So what is the output here, student? Print L. What it print, student? So 0th index and 1 index per I'm inserting hello. So this is the output. Okay. Now L equals to 1, 2, L dot insert 1, 3, 4. So this entire tuple, sir, 1 at index number 1 by this entire tuple. So this is the answer. Okay. Similarly, what is the output here, student? So very simple, sir. Sir, 2 index पे, sir, 1, 2. At this 2 index, the 0 index, here this is 0 index, 1 and 2. So 2 index per this list. This list is added here. So this is the answer. L dot insert 156. What is the answer? So this 0 index, 1 and 2. So zero index पे this is zero index is 1. You are inserting at one index, so one index पे 5 6. So this is the answer. Okay. So index number of this is, sir, what, sir? Sir, 1. Now what is the answer for this one, student? Only keys inserted or entire dictionary added? Yes, Sidhu, Newsbuster, Uddhav, run this code on editor. Yes, run this code on editor. Only only keys added or keys value pair, complete keys value pair added here. Yes, student, say something. बोलो भाई. यस स्टूडेंट, क्या आंसर आया सभी लोग रिप्लाई दीजिए, जस्ट कम बैक. जस्ट कम बैक. यस, आंसर आपने सॉल्व किया. व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस वन? So L equals to 1 to L dot insert 1 dictionary. So this is the index number, sir, 0 here 1. So 0 index 1, and at 1 index where you have to add this dictionary. So entire this dictionary added, student, not only key. Entire this dictionary added. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Right, student. So now next is remove item. So remove item, it remove the first occurrence. If item, sir, if it is exist item, if element exists, then remove first occurrence, right? If it is not exist, then it generate error, student. So remove item, the syntax of remove item function is what? So right here remove and item element, for example, L equals to 1 2 3 2 4, L dot remove 2. I want to remove 2. First occurrence of this element, sir, first occurrence, it means this one. So this is deleted, student, right? It remove first occurrence of this element. So first occurrence this deleted, and if you print this, then what it the output of this is 1 3 2 4. Okay. So remove may you are directly passing this element. Okay, you direct pass element, not index, student. Direct pass element. It delete first occurrence of this element, student. Only first to remove. Okay. What about this one, student? So L dot remove GFG. First occurrence of this GFG is removed. So first occurrence, this one, this is removed. So the output of this is hello GFG. Okay. If item not present, then it generate error, value error. Sir, here I want to delete 10. So it generate what, student? Error, because this 10 is not exist here. Is this 10 exist in this list? No. So L dot remove 10. In this case, it generate what? Sir, value error, because this value not exist in this list. Okay. X not in the list. This is error because X not in the list, student. Okay. I want to remove this, sir, entire this list. Can I pass here this list, student? You can pass here element oblique iterable also, iterable object also. Okay. So exact matching sublist removed, student. Exact matching sublist removed. So what is the answer for this one? Is it error or some answer? It produce some answer. Sidhu. It gives output or error, student. Yes, this is removed, student. This entire this removed. So this is the answer. 1 4. 1 4 is the answer for this. Okay. Now what about this one? What is the output of this one? So exact matching, this 3, 4, this removed student. Okay. So here this one is removed. So the output of 1, 5. What about this one student? L dot remove. I want to remove this dictionary. So what is the answer? So exact match this dictionary if exist here, then it delete, right? Remove, otherwise it generate error student. So exact match this dictionary, this one student. So you, this is removed exact match. So output is 1, 3. Similarly, you can pass here set also. It reveals 5 exact match. This set is removed. So the output is 1, 2. Sir, L dot remove 10. It remove the first occurrence of this element. First occurrence, right? So first occurrence it remove, not entire. So first occurrence, this is removed. So 20, 10, 30. So in this way, you can apply, sir, remove function. Okay. First occurrence deleted. Now next method is pop. Remove, I think this one is third. Remove is fourth. Now fifth, pop. It remove the last element and return. It remove the last element and return बच्चे. Okay. So last element return and remove. It remove the last element and return. It remove the last element and return. So what is the output here? L equals to 10, 20, 30. X equals to L dot pop. X equals to L dot pop. So what is the output? So my dear student, L dot pop, remove the last element. Fine, sir. Kya? Sir, 30. Sir, and it return what student? It return this 30. It return this 30. So 30, this 30 is stored in this X. Okay. So you are print X. First print it what student? 30. And after this you are printing this list. So after this it print what? Remaining list is 10, 20. So this is the output. Okay. Understood? Now pop index. This is another method student, pop index. Remove at a specific index, right? It remove the element at a particular specific index. For example, sir, the index number of this is 0 here and 1 and 2 and 3. Sir, pop index, it remove at a specific index. It remove at index 2 to second element. Sir, what is the index 2 element? This is 30. So is 30 removed from the list student, and it return what student? It return 30. It return 30. This return what, sir? 30. It return what? 30. So 30 assigned in this X student. Okay. Thirty. So what it print student? First it print X. X is 30. And after this remaining list is what, sir? 10, 20 and 40. So this is the output. Okay. What about this one? Sir, positive indexes start from left to right, 0 to 1, and negative indexes start from right hand side. So -1, this is -2, -3, and -4. Okay. So -2 index, this is 30 students. So it remove what student? It remove 30. Understood? It remove 30 and it remove 30 and it return on X. So output of this is 30 and the remaining list 10, 20, 40. What is the output of this one, student? Yes, L dot pop 10. L dot pop 10. Yes, say something. Yes, this is error, student. Index out of range. Index out of range. So this is error because index out of range. Now L equals to this L dot pop. What is the output? What about this one, student? This is also error. Pop is not allowed on empty list, students, because list is empty. This is also index error, right? In previous index error, this is also index error. Now, what is the output of this one, student? L equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, x equals to L dot pop 1, L dot append x, print L. So very simple, pop 1 index, this is removed, and append x. What is x? It return what, student? It return 2. So x, append x at the last. So output of this one, 1, 3, sir 4, and 2 append at the last. So 1, 3, 4, 2. This is the answer. All right. So what is the answer for this question, student? So my dear student, L dot pop, it remove last element and 30 assigned to this and return this 30. L dot pop 0, 0 index this one. So this is removed and assigned here this in B part. So I am printing A, B or L. So what is A, student? A is 30. What is B? Sir, B is 10. And what is, sir, L? Remaining list is what? Sir, remaining list is 20. So 30, 10 and 20. This is the answer. So pop versus remove, quick comparison, student. So this is pop method and here this is remove method. So pop may remove by index or in remove method, it remove by index, it remove by value. Okay. Default remove in pop may last element and first matching value, Sir, return value, sir, pop return the value, but this is not return value, remove not return value. Error on missing, sir, in pop, it generate index error and remove it generate what, sir? Value error. All right, student. Now next is clear method. Sir, I think this is 6th number, no? 5th. Sixth. So 7th. Clear remove all items from the list, leave it empty. It does not return anything, it return none, student. So for example, so what it print? What is the output of this one, student? Yes, everyone reply fast. L dot clear, just clear all empty lists, right? All list clear, right? Not delete permanently. This entire list is clear. So this, it produce what, sir? Empty list. Okay. Now next one is alien function. Alien list return total number of item in the list. It return total number of item in the list. Okay. So for example, if I print L, so how many total number of item in this list is student? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. Now list.count method count return how many times an item appear in the list. Okay. So for example, L equals to 10, 20, 10, 30, 10. So I want to count 10. So it count the frequency of 10. How many times 10 appear in this list, student? Sir, 1, 2, and 3. So the answer of this is 3. Okay. Now L equals to this one. Print L dot count A. How many times this string appear here? Sir, kitne baar? Sir, 2 baar. Sir, 2 times. Okay. So answer of this is, so count function count the frequency. Okay. And work for any type. It work count function work for any type. So now next is index. Sir, index method return the first index of the given item. If it is not found, then value error. It generate value error. Index it return the index of first occurrence of element, student. Index of first occurrence of element, student. For example, how we can apply this? So the syntax for this is sir L dot index 20. So first occurrence of 20 index, it return the index of first occurrence of 20. Sir 0, sir 1, 2, and 3. So first occurrence of 20 index is 1. So the output of this is 1. What about this one, sir? If item not found, just say if I talk about L dot index, sir 100. So 100 element not exists here. 100 element not exists here. So this is value error. 100 not in the list. 100 not in the list, student. All right, 100 not in the list. Now sum, it returns sum of all number in the list. It returns sum of all number in the list. L equals to 10, 20, 30. I want to print this. So what it print? Sir, it is 60. Sum of all number. Sum of all number is 60. Sir, what about this one? This work only for number, sir. Work only for number. If you are passing here a string, then it generate error. Now next is reverse function. List dot reverse. The syntax for this is list dot reverse. Reverse the list in place. Changes original list. It does not return anything. Return none, student. For example, L equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. L dot reverse. Here I am apply L dot reverse. So what it print? By default, it reverses the natural sorting order, बच्चे. Natural sorting order. Sir, what is natural sorting order? For numbers के लिए it is ascending order. For numbers के लिए it is ascending order. And for string के लिए default natural sorting order. Sir, string के लिए just like a dictionary order. Or we can say lexicographical order. Lexicographical order. Okay. What is lexicographical order? Just like a dictionary order, student. So what is the output here, student? Yes. X equals to L dot reverse. अरे मैंने सॉर्ट कर दिया क्या? सॉरी सॉरी स्टूडेंट. सॉर्ट कर दिया, मेरे दिमाग में सॉर्ट चल रहा था. ओके. इसको करेक्ट करिए बच्चे. मैंने इसको बोला और फिर मेरे दिमाग में सॉर्टिंग आ गया. इसको रिवर्स करेगा बच्चे, ये रिवर्स करेगा. इसे करेक्ट कर लीजिए। प्रिंट एल क्या करेगा बच्चे, रिवर्स कर देगा सिंपली, यहाँ सॉर्टिंग नहीं है। तो दिस इज द आउटपुट 4321। प्लीज करेक्ट इट। 4321। व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? यस प्लीज करेक्ट इट, एवरीवन प्लीज करेक्ट इट। वो सॉर्टिंग मैंने बता दिया था, रिवर्स है। सो एक्स इक्वल्स टू एल डॉट रिवर्स, व्हाट इज द आउटपुट हियर? बोलो भाई। एम्प्टी, नथिंग और नन। सर इट डज नॉट रिटर्न एनीथिंग, इट रिटर्न व्हाट सर? कुछ ऐसा नहीं रिटर्न करेगा, नन। सो द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस इज नन। वाई सर नन क्यों? बिकॉज बच्चे हियर इट रिटर्न व्हाट स्टूडेंट? इट रिटर्न सर नन। ओके, एल डॉट रिवर्स is none. Sir, if you first update this list by a reverse function L dot reverse, then this list is reverse, and after this you are printing here, then it will be 4321. But if you assign x equals to L dot reverse, so it generate what sir? None, and after this you are printing x, so this is none. Similarly, sir, if you print L dot reverse, what it print, student? What it print? This is also none, because sir it return what is student? None. So basically you are printing here also none. Okay. Now next is sort method बच्चे. Sort the list in ascending order, modified original list in right, and return none student. For example, L equals to 4, 10, 30 and 20. So default natural sorting order for numbers के लिए क्या होगा? Ascending order. So the output of this is what? So 10, 20, 30, 40 ascending order. Default natural sorting order for numbers ascending order, and default natural sorting order for strings के लिए क्या है? Lexicographical order और dictionary order. But sir, I want to display in descending order. Then you have to pass this argument student in this sorting. So L dot sort pass this argument reverse equals to true. L dot sort pass this argument reverse equals to true. If you pass reverse equals to true, then it print what? In the descending order student. So descending order 40, 30, 20 and 10. So this is the output. Okay. For descending order के लिए you have to pass this argument inside this sort function reverse equals to true. Okay. So what is the output of this one student? So what it print? Here all are strings. So L dot sort equals to what? L dot sort the string according to default natural sorting is lexicographical order or dictionary order. Sir, in dictionary first come what sir? First comes sir apple, and after this apple this banana, dictionary order, and then cherry. Okay, so this is the output. What about this? Inside the sort function, mixed data is not allowed, student is here. Mixed data is not allowed. You are passing here integer as well as string, so this is error, student. Okay, either all are string or all are numbers. Okay, so this is error. Chaliye, tell me what is the answer for this question? Everyone reply answer for this question. L equals to 314, L dot append 5, L dot insert 19, L dot accent 78, L dot remove 4, X equals to L dot pop, count 3 equals to L dot count 3, L dot sort, L dot reverse, print L. What is the final output when this code is executed? यस स्टूडेंट, क्या आंसर आ रहा है? व्हाट इज डिक्शनरी ऑर्डर? डिक्शनरी इज ऑर्डर्ड, नॉट अनऑर्डर्ड बच्चे. सिमरन कुमारी, डिक्शनरी इज ऑर्डर्ड. Yes, Simran. Append means add 5 to the last in the list. Yes. So what is the output of this one, student? Yes, everyone reply answer for this question. This type of question may be asked in GATE exam. So here I am using, sir, append, insert, extend, remove, sir, pop, sort, reverse. All function I am applying on this L list. Sir, after this conclusion, what is this final list? Yes, student, what it print? Everyone reply answer for this question. Lucky is saying 9731. Uddhav 97531. Yes, Uddhav, one more time, try one more time. Siddhu is 97531. 97531. What is the difference between pop and remove? Simran, you have joined, I think, last, late join kiya hai. Look here. This is pop method and remove method, Simran. Sir, removed by, in pop we can use index, and in remove we can use direct pass value. It remove by value, it remove by index. Default remove last element and is my first matching value. It return, sir, pop return the element, delete as well as return, delete as well, remove as well as return, but remove no return, remove only remove. If this is match, then remove no return, student. Error on missing, sir, it generate pop में if some value sub index number missing, then it generate index error, and remove generate value error. So this is the difference. Understood, Simran? Pop delete and return. Pop delete the element and return, remove only remove the value, right? Pop apply on via index, remove delete by index, remove delete by value. Understood, student? So Siddhu is saying 97531. Okay. So I think this is the answer. 97531 is the right answer. L dot sort and then L dot reverse. After this, you are performing L dot reverse, then it reverse 97531, and by default it sort ascending order 13579, and it reverse. So 97531 is the right answer. Okay. All right, student. Now tell me, what is the answer for this one, student? Yes, yes, everyone reply answer for this one. I am using append function. So append take it as a single object, student. So it complete this is added, sir, 1, 2, at the last 1, 2, 3, 4, and last 6 and 7. Okay. What about extend? Sir, extend L dot extend 6, 7. So it remove outer bracket and So this is the output. Okay. What about this one, student? Sir, append extend function. This is extend. Extend remove outer bracket. It remove add and remove outer bracket. Okay. So output of this is, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It remove this outer bracket. There are nested list, na? So remove outer bracket. So finally, so this is the answer, student. Okay. Outer bracket removed, student. Understood. What is the output of this one, last one? Question number 7th. What is the output? सो बच्चे ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, मैंने कहीं से उठाया, सीरियल नंबर डिस्टर्ब हो गया है. सो यू कैन टेक दिस एग्जांपल और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Yes, everyone reply answer. So this is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and here this question number 4. Okay. So what is the answer of question number 4? Sir, outer bracket removed, student. If you use this extend, then outer bracket removed. So the output of this one, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. This outer bracket removed. 6, 7, 8. So this is the answer. Understood? चलिए student, what is the answer for this one? And one more concept, sir, extend and append function written what? Sir, none. It written what? Nothing. ये कुछ return नहीं करते बच्चे. Extend and append function written what? Sir, none. Okay, anyway. So what is the output, student? Here I am printing L dot append 5. So append and extend written what, student? None. Append and extend update the list in place and return none. And return what? Sir, none. Understood. So what is the output here, student? Directly you are printing this. This is list is updated, student. No problem at all. If you print here, if you print L here, student, so this list is updated, right? But you are printing directly this one, so it return what, student? None. So it return what, student? It return none. इसकी जगह क्या आएगा? Sir, none. So output of this one is none, student. Okay. The output, if you directly print this, the output of this is none. But my dear student, after this, I am printing this L, then what it print, student? If you print this L is updated, and the output of this one is, sir, 1, 2, 3, and 5. So it print 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now, what is the output of this second example? Yes, student, Lucky, Raghu, Siddhu, Simran, everyone reply answer for this question. Sir, L dot append, sir, this written what, student? It written none. Sir, it written none and you are updating this L by none. So none is assigned to this L, student. If you print this L, so the output of this one is none. What about this one? So after updating, you are printing this L perfectly. It print, sir, 1, 2, 3, 5. So correct. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 5. All right. What about next example? L dot extend, it written what, student? Sir, none. So the output of this is what? Sir, none. What about this one, student? What is the output of this? Sir, entire this, it written, sir, none. So the output of this one is what? None. What about this one, student? What is the output of this print? L. Sir, it extend this list. Sir, 1, 2, 3, and after this outer bracket removed 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, student. Now, what is the answer for this question? Yes, student, quick reply answer for this question. We have very little time, right? A equals to 0, B equals to 1 list this one for I in the range 6, A, B equals to B, comma A plus B list dot append A, sum X for X in the list, X modulus 2 equals to 0. Yes, everyone reply answer. Lucky Raghu is saying 2. What about Simran? What about Uddhav? Newsbuster? Yes. Newsbuster is saying 10. Very good. So this is the range function here. I vary from 0 to 5 inside this range. The possible value for I is what, student? The possible value for I equals to 0, sir, 1, sir, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 0 to 5. Initially A equals to 0 है, B equals to 1 है, and list is empty. Okay. And list is what? Sir, list is empty. List is what, sir? Empty. Fine. For I in the range 0 to 5, for I in the range 0 to 5, then what will happen, student? Sir, I in the range 0 to 5. When I is 0, then a comma b equals to b, a plus b. Okay. The formula here, this formula written here, sir, a comma b equals to b, a plus b. Okay. So my dear student, if I equals to 0, if I equals to 0, then I equals to 0, this condition is true, and you enter in the for loop, a comma b equals to b, a plus b. Sir, this is a parallel assignment, not serial bache. A equals to b and b equals to a plus b. This is parallel, not serial. Understood? Not serial, keep first this, then after this, not serial. Parallel assignment, right? So I equals to 0, sir, a comma b equals to what? A comma b equals to what, student? A comma b equals to b. Sir, what is the initial value of b? This one. And a plus b is what, sir? A plus b is 1. So a is assigned, 1 is assigned to a and b is assigned to b. Yeah, a is pointing to 1 and b is pointing to 1. Okay, student. Then list dot append a. What is a, student, here? A is 1. So list dot append a, it means append 1 here. And after this, you again go to this loop, right? Next, I equals to 1. So if I equals to, sir, 1, then a comma b equals to what, sir? According to this formula, sir, b is 1, here b is 1, and a plus b, this one. Okay. So a value is what, sir? A is pointing to 1, b is 2. So a is pointing to 1, b is 2. List dot append a. So a is 1, so append a here. Understood? Again, go to loop and I equals to 2. I equals to 2, then a comma b equals to what? Again, this formula b, a plus b. What is b? Sir, 2. A plus b is 3. So what is a, student? A is 2. So a is 2. So append a is 2 here, okay, in the list. And after this, I is 3. Sir, a comma b equals to b, a plus b. What is b here, student? B is 3, right? A plus b is 5. So a is pointing to, now a is pointing to 3. A is pointing to 3. So 3 is added here. Okay. Now I equals to 4. A comma b equals to, sir, b, a plus b. B is 5. A plus b is 8. Okay. So what is a? Sir, a is, append a is 5 here. Okay. Now I equals to 5. Sir, a comma b equals to b, a plus b. What is, sir? B, a plus b is 13. So this is 8. Append this 8. And after this, you exit from loop. After this is completed. Exit from this loop. If you exit from this loop, after this you are printing, come here, some function, this x for x in the list, x modulus 2 equals to 0. This is means even number. This condition for what? Is even number. So sum of what? Sum of x for x in the list, x mod equals to 0. Sir, is this even, this even, this even? No. Sir, sum of this even, this even, this even? Sir, no. So it print what, student? 10. So this is the answer. 10 is the right answer for this question, student. Okay. All right. Nested list. Nest, nested list inside list. List inside list. So this is the concept of nested list, student. Here we are using the concept of nested list. Nested is just like a multi-dimensional array. Just like a multi-dimensional array. So what is the output of this one and what is the output of this one, student? So this is a list, student. L minus 1, 1, and here slice operator. And what is the meaning of this? And yes. Yes, student. What is the answer for this one? The output of first one is what, sir? 8, 9. Okay, very good. What is the output of this one, student? What is the representation of this nested list, student? Just look here. These are the negative index. Okay. Okay, the first value is what, sir? 1, 2, 3. First value, this is 1, so 2, 3. This is the representation, and L is pointing to this. Okay. So this is the nested representation, student. And I want to print minus 1, and slice operator 1 onwards. Okay. Minus 1 means what, sir? You are fixing this one. Minus 1 means you are this minus 1 index here, this one, and list is starting from what, sir? 1, starting from 1. So it generate what, sir? It generate this list. So output of this is what? 8, 9. 8, 9 is the right answer in the form of list. So the output of this is 8, 9. Correct. 8, 9 is the answer for this one. Okay. Then what is the output of this one, student? Minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 means you are pointing this one, and again minus 1 means this, you are accessing this element 9. So the output of this is 9. Okay. Now what about this question, student? What is the answer for this one? L equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. M equals to L. You are creating this list aliasing. बच्चे अननोन गेम, वेट, थोड़ा सा वेट करिए, कनेक्ट रहिए, आपको सारी चीज पता चलेगी. अंडरस्टूड? वेट करिए, एवरीथिंग आपको सारी चीज क्लियर होगी, मैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग आपको सारी चीज बताऊंगा. So L equals to this one, student. M equals to L. You are this is a list aliasing, बच्चे. So M00 means you want to update this one student, this 0, this 0. You are updating this, what M00 is 900. Okay. So print L, what it print student? It's 99, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the concept behind nested list. What is list comprehension? List comprehension means creating list object based on some condition, bache. It is very easy and compact way of creating list object from any iterable objects like list, tuple, dictionary, range, etc. based on some condition. So what is the syntax for this student? So this is the syntax student. List equals to expression for item in iterable if condition. Sir, iterable objects, sir, what is iterable object? Sequence or iterable object? You can write here iterable object just like a list, set, tuple, dictionary, etc. You can set range also. Range, iterable or sequence, you can send range. You can write here. So x equals to x into x for x in the range 1 to 11. So 1 to 11 means what is student? 1 to 11 means it goes to, sir, 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 print s. So for x in the range 1 to 10 means what, sir? What is the possibility for x is, sir? 1, sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So if you print this as x into x for x in this range, if x is 1 student, then the list contain what? X into x. 1 into 1 is 1. Now again, sir, if x is to 2, x into x, 2 into 2 is 4, right? 3 into 3 is 9. Similarly, 4 into 4 is 16 and 25 and 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So this is list comprehension, bache. Okay. This condition is optional. This is used for more filter. Here if condition. Expression, right here expression for item in iterable if condition. This is optional for more filter. More filter आप करना चाह रहे हैं, then you can use this one. V equals to 2 की power x for x in the range 1 to 6. What is the output here? For x in the range 1 to 6 means what? Sir, 1 to 6 means 1, sir, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 की power 1 is 2. So now 2 की power 2 is what, sir? 4. 2 की power 3 is what, sir? 8. 2 की power 4 is what, sir? 16. 2 की power 5 is 32. So this is the output. Okay. Now come to aliasing, list aliasing, cloning, shallow copy, and deep copy concept. Okay, what is list aliasing? Sir, aliasing occurs when two or more variables reference the same object in memory. This means that any modification through one variable reflect in all other references on that object. Okay, break. चलो break लेते हैं, 10 मिनट का break है. Okay, thank you for remembering. 10 minutes break, student. Break for 10 minutes. Okay. जाना नहीं है कहीं, break के बाद मिलना है. Don't go. Right? This is a break only for 10 minutes. Okay, student, let's continue. Yes. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Sir, what is aliasing? Aliasing occur when two or more variable reference to same object in memory, student, right? This means that any modification through one variable reflect in all other referencing that object. So, sir, x equals to 10, 20, 30. Then what will happen is, student, x equals to 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. By equals to x. Assignment operator, this create alias, right? Sir, equals to operator, this create alias, right, student? So by equals to x means by is also pointing to, sir, this one. Okay. And by 0 equals to 99. This is 0, sir, 1 and 2. By 0 equals to 99, you are updating this by 0 equals to 99. So print x, sir, print x by, so what it print is, student? It print, sir, 99, 20, 30. Print by, it print by. What is by? By is also pointing to same this list. So key characteristics. What are the key characteristics of this aliasing, student? No new object is created. Both variable pointing to the same memory location, student. Same memory location. Changes made through one alias affect all others. Affect all others because there is no separate memory box. Only same box. Both is pointing to same memory box, right? More memory efficient since it doesn't create a duplicate objects. That's why this is a memory efficient. Okay. Suppose I want to work in common resources, then you can use alias, student. Okay. Now what is cloning, student? Okay. Yes, come back. Very good. Cloning create a new object that is the copy of the original. This means modification to the clone object do not affect the original object, student. Do not affect the original object. For example, sir, x equals to 10, 20, 30. By equals to this slice operator always create separate memory box, student. So by is a clone of x. What will happen, student? So here x is pointing to 10, 20, 30. And this create always, slice operator always creates separate memory box, right? Okay, student. So by is pointing to 10, 20, 30. By is a clone of x. So by is a clone of x. In this way, you can generate by is the clone of x. Okay. Now I want to update by 0 equals to 99. So by 0 equals to 99, you want to update by 0 equals to 99. Then what is the output of this one, student? What is x? And what is by? All right. So this is the answer 10, 20, 30, 99, 20, 30. Here y is the new list with the same element as x. Modifying y does not affect x, student. What are the key characteristics of this cloning? Create a new object with the same content as the original. Changes made to the clone object do not affect the original. Yes. Consume additional memory to store the duplicate object, student. Now shallow copy. A shallow copy create a new object but does not recursively copy the new object, nested object. A shallow copy create a new object, student, but does not recursively copy the nested object within it. Okay. Instead, it insert references to the original object found in the original. This means that changes to the mutable nested object in the copied object will affect the original object and vice versa, student. Shallow copy means what? In shallow copy, it create the separate box for outer box, right? Separate box for outer box, right? But not create separate box for nested box, student. Okay, student. So shallow copy create new object but does not recursively copy the nested object within it, right, student? It insert references to the original objects found in the original on outer box, student. This means that changes to the mutable nested object in the copied object will affect the original object and vice versa, right? What are the key characteristics, sir? Key characteristics copy the outer structure, the container object, outer structure, it copy the outer structure container and create the new separate box. Now, nested object like list or dictionary within the container are not copied, student, not copied. A reference to the original nested object are inserted. Changes to the mutable nested object in the copied object will reflect to the original object, Sir, what does that mean? Sir, for this example, you can understand easily, student, what I am saying. So, for shallow copy के लिए, how we can create shallow copy? First import copy module, student. First import copy module, just like header file, जैसे हम header file open करते थे ना. So here in Python, import sir this copy module. Original equals to, this is a list 1 2 3 4. So original, this is a nested list, student. This is a nested list. This index 0 1. Okay, and the index of this is 0 1. Index of this is 0 1. All right. Now shallow copy, how we can create shallow copy, student? Right here, this copy module name, this copy module dot, this is a copy function. Inside this copy module, this is a copy function, copy original. So copy original pass here, copy original, this copy original pass here, you're passing copy original, then it create the shallow copy, student. Shallow copy create the outer box, separate outer box, student. Shallow copy create the separate outer box, and shallow copy create a new object but does not recursively copy the nested object. Okay, it just copy the references, student. So let understand the reference of this is 1000 and here this is 2000. Let understand. So this is 1000. Let I assume here this is 2000. Okay. So it create the separate box for this outer box, student. Separate box, this outer box, but it does not create the separate box for nested object, student. It just copy the reference. Okay. So just copy the reference here. So 1000 and set 2000. So if this is 1000, so this one is also pointing to this one and this one is also pointing to this one. Okay. It does not create the separate box for inner box, right, student? Now shallow copy 0 0 equals to 99. So this index 0 and here this index 1. So 0 0 means what, sir? 0 0 means what, sir? This 0, first this 0, this 0 and this 0. I want to update 0 0 equals to what, student? 99. So 0 0 equals to 99. So this is affected in both, sir. Original is also affected, right, student? So original this one, what it print? So this is the output of this one, 99,234. Similarly, cello copy. So this is the output, right? Now what about deep copy? Sir, I want to change in inner box also, sir, separate memory for inner box, right? A deep copy create a new object and recursively copy all object found in the original and create separate memory box for inner as well as outer student. A deep copy create a new object and recursively copy all object found in the original. This means that new object is fully independent of the original object, and changes to the copied object will not affect the original object. What are the key characteristics? Key characteristics: copy the outer structure, the outer container, recursively copy all nested object, creating a new instance for each. Changes to the copied object do not affect the original object, student. So this is deep copy. How we can create deep copy? So for deep copy के लिए you can use this module, sir, copy module. So import copy module. This is original. Okay. That the indexes of this is 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is original, right? Now, sir, deep copy के लिए just write copy module, deep copy this function name, copy module name, sir, dot deep copy function name and original. You're passing here, I am this original student. Okay. So it create deep copy. In the deep copy, create the separate box for outer box as well as for inner box, student. It create the separate box for outer box as well as for inner box. Deep underscore copy. So this is 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay. It creates the separate box for outer as well as for inner, right? Recursively. So both are independent. Now I want to change, it's a deep copy 0, 0 equals to 99. So you want to change 0, 0 equals to 99, deep copy 0, this 0 and this 0 is 1. You want to change, this is 99. So no effect on original student. So output of original equals to, and what about output of deep copy? So this is the answer. Okay. All right. So tell me what is the answer for this one, student? Which one is correct? Yes, student. Reply fast. Actually, we have to finish the tuple also. So reply first. So this is aliasing student. Reply, everyone reply fast student. This is list aliasing. So so 0 1 b0 equals to 1 means b0 means you are updating b0 equals to 1. So you are printing either a or b. What it print, sir b? It print 1 5. It print b 1 5 student. Chaliye, what is the answer for this one student? Yes student, reply fast. My dear student, this is cloning. No, no. Okay. b0 equals to 1. So this is 0 1 and here 0 1. b0 equals to, you are updating b0 equals to 1. So what is a? Sir, what is a? Sir, no effect because a is separate. So answer is 4 5. I am printing a. So answer is a 4 5. Okay. So tell me, what is the answer of this one student? Yes, quick reply. L1 equals to 1 to 3. L2 equals to L1. So L2 equals to L1. This is list aliasing. L3 equals to L1 L1 L1. So what is the meaning of this one student? Sir, L1. So let the reference of this one is 100 or 1000. So this is pointing to this one student. This one is pointing to this one. This one is pointing to this one. And L10 equals to 5. Sir, you are changing L10 equals to 5. So L10 means you are updating this index. L10 equals to 5. Now you want to check L30. Sir, L30 index of 0, 1 and 2. L30 means you are searching this reference 1000. So it will be 523. So D is the answer for this question student. 523 is the right answer for this one. Now, what is the answer for this one student? One, two, three. This is list aliasing. L3 equals to, this is slicing here student. Here we are using this slicing. Slicing create the separate box. Slicing create the separate box. Here in this case, separate box for outer box student. So L3 equals to, sir, L1 slice operator. So it create what, sir? Okay. So this one is pointing to this one. This one is pointing to this one. This one is pointing to this one. Now L10 equals to 5. L10, I am updating L10 equals to 5. L10 means this is L10 equals to 5. So if you update this, no effect. I want to print L30. What it print is 2 and 1, 2, 3. So C is the answer for this one. Okay. Okay. What is the answer for this one, student? Yes, quick reply, student. 1 2 3 L2 equals to L1. Yes, fast reply. 1 2 3 L2 equals to L1. L2 equals to this L1, and temp equals to L1 slice operator. So temp equals to 1 2 3. Okay, this is pointing to 1 2 3. L3 equals to what? L3 equals to temp temp temp. So right, so this one is pointing to this one, this one is pointing to this one, this one is pointing to this one. Okay, so what is the output of this one, student? I want to print L3. So L3 print what, sir? L3 0 1 and 2. So 3 times. So D is the answer for this one. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, yes, Uddhav, your answer is correct. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now, what is the answer for this one, student? Here it creates shallow copy. In this case, it creates shallow copy, bache. This is a cloning, just like a shallow copy, student. Yes, very good. Agni Pariksha में किया है. कुछ questions, important questions Agni Pariksha I am just here. So wait for 2 to 3 4 5 minutes, and after this we will start new topic. Okay. Newsbuster, in this case it creates shallow copy, and it is just like the cloning. Okay, student. So what is the output of this one? One, two, three, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. Now B equals to 1 onward, student. Starting from 1, this 1 onward, okay, slice, it create slicing or shallow copy, bache. So B is what, student? B is pointing to, sir, 1 onward, this index 0 1. So this is pointing to this one, and this one is pointing to this one, right? Okay. Now after this you are updating B1 0. Sir, V1 0. No, first B0 equals to 10 11. So this index is 0, student, this index is 1, B0 equals to 10 11. If you update B0 equals to 10 11, then this is cut it, na? This is cut it, and B0 equals to 10 11. So you are updating B0 equals to the 10 11. So this is pointing to this one. Okay, fine. Now B10 equals to 99. So B10, this is, sir, 99, right? So I am printing B and print A. Printing B and print A. What it print is, student? If you print B, then B print what, sir? 10 11, nested list 10 11, 99 89. This is updated, na? And this is 99 23. क्या किया मैंने? ओके 789 है बच्चे, ये 789 है. कोई बात नहीं, आप 1 2 3 लिख लो, या 4 5 6 लिख लो. यहाँ पे एक काम कर लो, यहाँ पे आप 1 2 3 कर दो. Yes, student. Is it clear? So 9923, this is the output. Okay. What is the output of this A? One, two, three. 9923. This is the output of A. All right. Okay, student. फटाफट reply दीजिए. Yes. B equals to 964577 and X equals to B slice here 2. So 0 to 1. Slice कितना होगा? 2 is the this is the end part and end not end is excluded. 0 to 1. 0 1 9 6 and 4 5. So x1 dot append 10. तो this type of question के लिए first of create sir memory diagram. First of all create memory diagram बच्चे. Okay. B is what sir? 9 6 4 5 7 7. Okay. Now x equals to slice operator यानी b0 and b1. So this whole, this is 0 and this is 1 and 2. So 0 1 slice. Sir x is pointing to so this one is pointing to this one and this one is pointing to this one. Okay. Fine. Now, sir, x1 dot append 10. Sir, x1 dot append 10. Then what will happen, student? x1 dot append 10. So, x1 means this one, append 10. So, if you call this function, so it append here. What is student? Sir, 10. Okay. Then what is b? If you print this b, it print what is student? It print what? Sir, 9 6 4 5 10 7 7. So this is the answer, I think. Okay. 9 6 4 5 10 7 7 9 6 4 5 10 7 7. I think C is the right answer for this question. Okay. Now, bache, what is the answer for this one? Dear student, plus operator creates separate box, separate memory box, right? Always. But plus equals to, if you apply plus equals to compound assignment, this type plus equals to, it modify the list in place. It modify the list in place, student. Okay. So note plus equals to on the list, modify the list in place. Modify the list in place is true. 0 1 2, list 2 equals to list 1. This is aliasing, list 2 equals to list 1, and list 2 equals to this 4. So plus equals to operator, it update the list in place, student, right? List 2 equals to list 2 plus 4. So is update the list in place. All right. Plus equals to update the list in place. Only plus, if you use only plus, then create separate memory box. But plus equals to one list, modify the list in place, student. So if you print both list, then what is the output here? Sir, 1 2 3 4 and 1 space. Sir, 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now come to next topics. That's all in list, student. Now come to tuple. What is tuple? Tuple, it is a list, student. It is immutable list, right? Sir, it is same as list, so we can say directly. First of all, tuple is represented like this parenthesis, okay, and it is immutable list. If you freeze the list, then it will become what, student? Tuple. So tuple equals to immutable list. Tuple equals to what, sir? It is immutable list, okay, and list is represented. List कैसा था? List is mutable. Rest of all is same, student, right? Rest of all is same. List is mutable, but tuple is immutable. If you freeze this list, then it will become what, sir? Tuple. Okay. And list is represented by what, sir? List is represented by this brackets, and tuple is represented by this parenthesis. Okay. Understood, student? So these are the point related to tuple. Tuple is exactly same as list, except that it is immutable. That is, once we create the tuple object, we cannot perform any changes in that object. Hence, tuple is read-only version of list. So this is the read-only version of the list, right? If our data is fixed and never change, then we should go for tuple. Okay, just like I want to store the data or Aadhaar, so then go for tuple, student. Insertion order is preserved, same as list. Duplicacy are allowed, same as list, student. Heterogeneous object are allowed, same as list. We can preserve insertion order, and we can differentiate duplicates object by using index. It is iterable, it support index, hence, right, student? So it is a heterogeneous, just like 10 20 hello 30.5. So tuple, this is a heterogeneous collection, same as list. All right. So tuple support both positive and negative index. Positive index means forward direction, just like in string we have already discussed all things, slicing वगैरह सब कुछ discuss कर लिया from left to right, and negative index means backward direction from right to left, student. Okay. We can represent tuple element within parentheses and with comma separator. Parentheses are optional but recommended to use, student. Parentheses are optional but recommended to use. If I want to print this, then what it print? Yes, student. T equals to parenthesis is optional but recommended to use. If you not write, this is optional, student. So it print what? 10, 20, 30, 40. Print type of T. What is the type of this T, student? So type of T, class tuple. Okay, so this is the answer. All right, student. What it print? Today class duration is not 2 p.m. Just uh, so 30. I need 10-20 minute extra, right? Only dictionary and list is mutable. No. List is also mutable. Simran Kumari, list is also mutable. Dictionary mutable hai. List is mutable. Okay. बहुत सारे हैं. First lecture, see my first lecture and you will get what are the mutable objects and immutable objects, and what is the difference between mutable immutability, what is the meaning of mutable immutability, everything we have discussed in lecture number 1. So see lecture 1, T equals to this one. So what it print, sir, this is empty tuple. Okay, this is empty tuple. Class this tuple. Dear student, we have to take care about a space, take a special care about a single variable, single value tuple. Compulsorily, the value should ends with comma. Otherwise, it is not treated as tuple, right? For example, if I want to print it, so what it print, student, and what it print? Yes, everyone reply. What it print? Simran, you can check out my first lecture. Okay. So T equals to this one, print T. What it print? And what it print? I will show you. Just wait. Wait. Sir, what it print, student? If you not write comma here, then it read just integer value. Right here 10. So what is the type of this T? It read integer value, then class, sir, int. It read class int, student. Okay. Not tuple. What about this one? The treatment of this is tuple. If you print this, then what it print is student 10. So this is the meaning, student. So this is a tuple having one element, student. Simran Kumari, this is the tuple having one element, comma. Okay, print a type of T. What it print? So class tuple. So tell me, which of the following are valid tuple, student? Which of the following are valid tuple? Yes, Akash, Mahale. Which of the following are valid tuples? Valid 2, 4, 6, 7. Sidhu is saying 2, 4, 6, 7. One is not valid. Sidhu, what about one? First is valid or invalid? What about first, student? बोलो भाई, व्हाट अबाउट फर्स्ट? फर्स्ट आपने छोड़ दिया. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर वैलिड टपल स्टूडेंट? दिस इज वैलिड टपल स्टूडेंट, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? दिस इज एम्प्टी टपल. व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन स्टूडेंट? व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन सेकंड? Sir, parenthesis is not compulsory, optional. This is also valid. What about this one, student? T equals to 10. This is not valid, student, because for single element tuple treat ending with comma. So this is not valid. This is not valid. Right? What about fourth? Yes, ending with comma. This is valid, student. What about fifth, student? Fifth, not ended with comma. This is integer value. So this is not tuple. This is a single value tuple. And yeah, this is correct. So valid tuple, which of the following are valid tuples? Are first 2, 4, 6, 7. 3 and 5 are invalid tuple. All right. 3 and 5, 3 and 5 are invalid tuple. All right. Some important functions of tuple, important functions or method on tuple. First one is alien. It return the number of element present in the tuple, student. So what is the output of this? It return the number of element in this. How many number of element is student in this? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the output of this one 3. Count to return the number of occurrence of given element in the tuple, student. Given element in the tuple. So t dot count 10. How many times 10 is student? How many times 10? Sir, 3. So the output of this is 3, student. Output of this is 3. So t dot count 30 कितना होगा? If I want to print, student, in this question, I want to print sir t dot count 30. So what is the output of this one? In this example, t equals to 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 10, 20. So t dot count 10, count how many times the frequency of 10 count? So 3 times. But if t dot count 30, so what is the output of this one, student? Zero. Yes, 30 not exists. There is no error. Don't say error. There is 30 not exists in this. Count frequency 0. So index. Now come to this one. Done, done, done. Index. Return the index of first occurrence of the given element. If a specified element is not available, then we will get value error, student. So t dot index this one. So what is the output of this one? Sir, return the index of first occurrence of the given element. So first occurrence of the given element. The first occurrence of 10 is what, student? The first occurrence of 10 is what, sir? 0 index. So the output is 0. Now t dot index 30. 30 here not available. Then we will get value error, student. Then we will get value error. Now sorted. Sir, sorted. In the previous, in the list, we have already discussed only sort method. Whereas in tuple, this for sorting के लिए we will use sorted, not sort, sorted बच्चे. To sort element based on the default natural sorting order. Sir, what is the meaning of default natural sorting order? Default natural sorting order means, sir, if it is number, then ascending order. If it is string, then dictionary order or lexicographical order, student. Okay. So t equals to 40, 10, 30, 20. T1 equals to sorted t. So to sort element based on the default natural sorting order, sir, sorted method, sir, this method create new list and sort in default natural sorting. Okay. So what will happen here, student? Sorted function and sort function, what is the difference between these two? sorted method create new list and sort the new list. And sort the new list. Sort the new list in default natural sorting. Why so, sir? The sort method, if you apply sort, tuple is immutable, na? You know, tuple is immutable. You cannot change in place. So this is immutable. So you cannot change in place, bache. So sorted T, sir, it create the list. First of all, it create the list and sort in by default sort in default natural sorting. For number ke liye, it is ascending order. So it will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. It create list. Okay. So if you print T1, so it print what? It print. If you print T, so T, there is no change in place. T as it is student. So T is what? Sir, 40, 10, 30 and 20. So this is the answer. Okay. We can sort according to reverse of default natural sorting order, in descending order. Then you have to pass, sir, this argument. Sir, you have to pass this argument here. Sir, T, which tuple, reverse equals to true. You have to pass this argument. You have to pass this argument. Okay. Reverse equals to true. All right. So print T1, what it print, student? Create the list, student. It create list and sort list. Default natural sorting ascending order, but you are passing here reverse equals to true. So in descending order, student. So in descending order, what is the value of this one? Sir, 40, 30, 20 and 10. So this is the output. Okay. Okay. So difference between sort and sorted method. Function sort the existing list. This sort function sort the existing list because list is mutable, student. Right? Sort method apply on what's a list. Sorted function create the new list and sort the new list. Right, student? Okay. So T1 equals to this one, T2 equals to this one, T3 equals to this one, print T1, T2, T3 and type of T2. So what is the output of this one? Everyone reply. Fatapat reply. So tuple is immutable, so no changing in T1, student. So as it is, it print 40, 10, 40, 30, 20 because of immutability. So print T2, sorted T1. So it create what a list. It create what's a list sorted method, and T2 is pointing to this one, student. And by default, it sort in ascending order, default natural sorting order. क्या होगा बच्चे? Print T3. What it print? T3. Yes. T3 equals to sorted T1, reverse equals to true. Reverse equals to true argument, if you pass reverse equals to true, it's sort in, create list and sort in descending order. So this is the output. And type of T2, this is a list, student. All right. So class list. Min and max function. These function return min and maximum value according to default natural sorting. According to default natural sorting, student. So min and maximum value according to default natural sorting order. So what is the minimum value of default natural sorting? 10. What is the minimum value or maximum value of default natural sorting? Sir, 40. Okay, 10 and 40. Now next is tuple packing and unpacking. Sir, we can create a tuple by packing a group of variable, student. So what is the output of this one, sir? Sir, A equals to 10, B equals to 20, C equals to 30, D equals to T equals to A, B, C, D. So this is tuple packing, student. So tuple packing, so parenthesis is not recommended. So output of this one is what's a 10, 20, 30 and 40. So T is pointing to this tuple, okay? Now, tuple unpacking is the reverse process of tuple packing, student. Tuple unpacking is the reverse of tuple packing. So we can unpack a tuple and assign it value to different variable, student. Assign it value to different variable. For example, T equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. So if you write like this, so A is pointing to this one, B is pointing this one. Okay. So if you print this, then what is the output? Sir, A equals to, sir, 10, B equals to 20, C equals to 30, D equals to 40. This is the output, student. So this is important note. At the time of tuple unpacking, the number of variables and the number of values should be same. Otherwise, we will get value error, student. We will get value error. What is the meaning of this one? Sir, here this T tuple contains, sir, four elements. But you are this is tuple unpacking, right, student? You are passing on the left hand side only three variable. So A is pointing to this one, sir. B is pointing to this one, sir. C is pointing to this one. What about 40, student? So this is error. This is wrong. Not allowed, student. This is error. This is error, student. Similarly, sir, the T contains, sir, four number of element, but left hand side is a five number of variables. Then E contain what, sir? Understood? So this is again error, student. So it must be same. Both left and right side both must be same. Sir, A is 10, sir, B is 20, C is 30, D is 40. What about, sir, E? So again, so this is the note. At the time of tuple unpacking, the number of variable and the number of values should be same. Otherwise, we will get value error, student. Which error? Sir, value error. Understood? Now, so this is first example. And here, this is second example. Yes, student. What is the answer for this one? So this is tuple unpacking, my tuple, this reference. So A is 1, sir, B is 2, sir, all this one where, sir, all this become a rest. This is star operator due to this, right? Closure star operator, so it become a list. So what it print? Sir, A equals to, sir, A is 1, sir, B is 2, rest is print what, sir? This is tuple list. It create a list of all this. So this is the output, student. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about this one, student? New line. By default, end string is a new line. Okay. So unpacking from the left hand side as well as unpacking from the right hand side. C is from the right hand side. Rest of all in the form of list, student. Okay. So output A is what, student? A is 1. Sir, B is what? Sir, B is 2. And what is rest? Output rest equals to? Bolo bhai. Rest equals to, so 3, 4, 5, and C equals to 6. This is the output. Okay. Now come to tuple comprehension. Tuple comprehension is not supported by Python, student. So if you write here tuple comprehension, this parenthesis x power this power operator 2 for x in the range 1 to 6. X in the range 1 to 6 means sir 1 to 5. So here we are not getting the tuple object and we are getting the generator object. So t equals to power of 2 for x in the range 1 to 6. Okay. So print type of t. What is the type of t, student? So tuple comprehension not supported. So tuple comprehension. Okay, Uddhav. So tuple comprehension is not supported in Python, student. Still you are writing in tuple comprehension, then it generate what's a generator object. Sir, we are not getting tuple object and we are getting the generator object. Sir, what is generator? Generator is the object which generate the value on demand, not storing, right? It generate the value on demand, not store, right? Just like in list and tuple, they're taking lot of memory. Okay, understood. Let agar millions billions number of data hai, you are storing in tuple, it occupy lot of memory, but generator generate the value on demand. Okay, so print type of t class what's a generator. So this is the output for x in t, print x. So it print x in t, it print, sir, it generator object x in t, it print what, sir? X1. क्या हुआ ये? It is a generator. It generate the value on demand, not store stone. On demand, first one. So x2 की power 1 is 1, right? And 1 2 की power 2 is 4. Next 3 3 to the power 2 is 9, and this 16 and 25. So this is the output, student. It generate the value on demand. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between list and tuple, student? List and tuple are exactly same, student, except a small difference. List object are mutable, whereas tuple object are immutable, right? List object are mutable, whereas tuple object are immutable, right? In both cases, student, insertion order is preserved, duplicates objects are allowed, heterogeneous objects are allowed, indexing and slicing are supported, right? Indexing, slicing are supported. So difference is tuple is immutable and list is mutable. So that's all in today class. Okay, student. ओके, सो अगर आपको सेशन अच्छा लगा है, क्लास अच्छी लगी, तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करिए. ओके, तो कल से ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो लोग जुड़े. ओके स्टूडेंट, so tomorrow we will discuss some very important topic. Thank you dear for your wonderful comment. Yes, xtech operator is used for repetition, student. It is used for repetition, right? Thank you Uddhav. Thank you. Bye bye. कल जरूर आइएगा. आकाश महाले join tomorrow also, right? Simran, please join tomorrow. Yes, Telegram. This is the Telegram channel link, right? This is a Telegram channel link, and you can join this. And apart from this, you can join this. This is a Telegram channel link, and this both is Telegram channel link. Okay, student. So that's all in today class. Meet you soon tomorrow. कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye. Take care. Okay, न्यूज़ बस्टर कल मिलते हैं. ओके कल की क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. फ्रॉम टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस द रिमेनिंग टॉपिक. आई थिंक व्हाट सर, सेट एंड डिक्शनरी, राइट? सेट एंड डिक्शनरी, यस डेफिनेटली. उद्धव PDF अभी अपलोड हो जाएगा. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू अगेन. थैंक यू.